I'm David Monk, after school STEAM educator with Fort Bend Children's Discovery Center. Check out this educator moment. Today we're going to make DIY egg dye. The materials you'll need are white vinegar, lemon juice also works, water, food coloring, cups, and some boiled eggs, and you'll need a spoon. First step is take about a tablespoon of white vinegar and place it inside your cups. Once you've added your white vinegar, you'll put some water, and now we'll add some color. You'll want to use 15 to 20 drops of the dye. Once you've added your food dye, use your spoon to stir, and then carefully place your boiled eggs inside of your DIY egg dye. It'll take 5 to 10 minutes, and about halfway through you want to rotate the eggs to make sure that they are dyed evenly around the egg. Once your eggs have sat in the dye for around 10 minutes, you'll remove your eggs, and that's how you make DIY egg dye. Thanks for joining me for this educator moment. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media. We'll see you next time.